So you can see that this line of the pattern pieces, all the sizes are exactly the same, 100%. That means we've successfully graded the sizes and copied the grading step for the sleeve part. And when we grade the armhole depth by hand, it will match up with the body part. Hello everyone, today I will share with you a little secret. Grading the sleeve to fit the body so that once we finish grading the sleeve, it matches perfectly with the body piece. Previously I shared a secret, but that part was only available in version 21. Quite a few of you have been asking me lately, if you're using an older version, exactly how you can go about making the sleeve fit the body so that after grading, the sleeve perfectly matches the body 100% of the time. So today I will use a command that is available in the older versions. Here you can see that the armhole on the body has already been graded. This armhole point has already been graded along both the Y and X axis. The shoulder point has been graded and the bust point has also been graded. So now we move on to grading the upper arm section. Here is the upper arm. For the upper arm here, as I've already demonstrated, I have finished grading the upper arm section. So now, how much do we need to lower the sleeve cap so that it matches the armhole on the body? Now, please go ahead and open up the measurement chart for me. To do this, you will need to navigate to View, open the Compile section, or you can simply press the number 5 key on your keyboard to display the measurement chart. Now I'll match the front bodice armhole. Select this armhole point, hold the left mouse button and drag up to the shoulder point. We will press the plus tool and I will subtract the front bodice sleeve cap portion with version 21. The command I shared previously actually has a better version than this one. However, many of you using lower versions have asked why that command isn't available in those versions. So today I will share this command as well. It is available in the lower versions. First, we will click on this minus sign button. You will see that the part being scaled down to the original size has an amount of deviation of 0.29, right? But when you switch to other sizes, the deviation will be significantly larger than that. Or sometimes it's less. Like this, it's not accurate, so we need to manually adjust the point at the armhole, the shoulder drop. When we grade up to a larger size, it shifts to the left. But how much should we shift it to make it align perfectly? For that, we will use the following command. First, you will need to carefully select the armhole section of the front bodice piece. To do this, hold down the left mouse button firmly and select the specific shoulder point. Then, navigate your way to the top menu bar and choose the segment length command from the list. In some of the older versions of the software, this command might be located further down the menu here, depending on how each specific version is arranged, but you will definitely select the segment length command. Please note that all versions of this program include this segment length command. Go ahead and click on it now. When a new window pops up on your screen, please select the curved line option for me and make sure to uncheck the box labeled base size only. This is important because if you leave this box checked, the changes will only apply to the base size. It will only work for the base size and nothing else. Next, move your cursor to the copy and paste section and select the copy line option. This action means we will be copying the exact grading step of the front armhole so that we can add it to the front sleeve cap later. Simply click the copy button to finish. After clicking copy, you will then click the OK button to confirm recall. That way you have successfully copied the specific grading step parameters of the front armhole. Now, you will move on to select the front sleeve cap, so D. Please select it carefully. Please note that you need to select the armhole point first and then select the corresponding sleeve cap point. When the entire section has been correctly selected, it will be clearly indicated by these circular point markers and the entire line will be displayed in a bright red color. Then go back to the main menu and select the segment length option once again. At this point, you'll notice that there are quite a lot of different options available here for you to choose from. So how should we make our selection? This is the point we clicked first. In English, this is called first. This is the point we clicked last, so it will be last. So now, do we need to grade the first point or the last point? We need to decide this beforehand. Here, what we need to do is jump to the point we selected first. That is the first point you will click on first. Once that is done, we will uncheck the box labeled base size only. And we do this because we need to adjust every size in the range, not just the base size itself. Next, you will select the copy and paste function. From there, choose the option for paste segment grading. Now you might ask, why is that? This ensures the grading applies correctly across the segment, because if you select the paste length option, the base size will also change so that it perfectly matches the length of the armhole. But for the base size, we actually want the sleeve to be slightly longer than the body of the garment, right? So please don't choose paste length. Instead, you should select paste segment grading. This way, it will only copy the specific grading steps and won't make the sleeve line match the body. Pay close attention to this part. Depending on your specific needs, you can choose either option based on the customer's requirements, right? For now, we'll select paste segment grading. You can see that the land part has changed. Then click the OK button. You'll notice that the first point has changed, specifically in the horizontal x-axis direction. Now that we have reached this stage, the x-axis has been successfully graded. Now let's proceed to update the numbers accordingly. Go ahead and click on the button labeled Update. Please keep in mind that in some other versions of this software, the update command might be located in a different position. It could be found within the main menu or perhaps down here at the bottom. It is important to pay close attention to exactly where the update command is situated. In this specific version, the update button is located right here, so I will just click on it directly. You will see that in the subtotal row, all the sizes listed here have become identical at 100%. That means we have successfully completed the grading and copied the necessary grading steps for the sleeve. When we manually grade the drop axis, it will perfectly match the body part. Next, we will perform the exact same grading process for the back body section. Here, we will begin by clearing out all of these existing numbers first. In some other versions, the clear command might also be located elsewhere. Look for the word clear and click on it. After that, select the armhole section of the back body. Select from the shoulder point to the armhole point, then click the plus sign here. Next, carefully select the sleeve cap section of the back sleeve. You will notice that in the standard base size, the generated value is exactly 0.24. However, when looking at the other sizes, this specific difference might be slightly greater or even smaller, so it is essential that we perform the grading here as well. Just as we previously did for the front body section, we will now select the area from the file point all the way to the light point. After that, navigate to the main menu, choose the segment line option, and make sure to uncheck the column labeled base size only. Next, move your cursor to the copy and paste section, click on copy, and then simply click OK to confirm. In a similar fashion, for the sleeve cap of the back body, you should select the segment starting from the sleeve peak and moving down to the armhole point. Once that is finished, we will navigate over to the menu and choose the option for segment length. We will uncheck, we will click on, and here we will simply click on one of the rows here. To select here, we need to pay attention. The sleeve peak point should be selected first, and the point where we need to grade, which is the sleeve belly point, should be selected after. Therefore, we need to select the last option, so please don't choose first anymore. First is specifically for the front sleeve head, so you have to select lab for it to show the back sleeve head correctly. Then, you will go ahead and uncheck the base size only option. Next, go to copy and paste and select paste segment gridly. Click OK and you will see that the x-axis here has changed quite a bit. Now you will update, simply click Update. When you click Update, you will see that our grading lines are perfectly and exactly equal 100%. This grading method is intended for lower versions. For higher versions, you should refer back to the previous lesson I shared, which is much better than this one, and use this method only for lower versions. This is just a small tip from the applied science section of the OPTITEX software. But if you are interested in the full course, you can visit my official website online. My site is online.pts.facelikeacademy.com. Go to the courses section and click on the applied course. Click on the applied course, and here you will see all the various lessons you will learn. Below right here are all these lessons. When you register, you will be able to view all the lessons here. And when you register for the course, I will provide you with a personal account so you can log in like this. Then you will see a button below to view the lectures. Then you click on this View Lecture button. When you click the View Lecture button, you will see all the lesson titles listed right here. You can browse through them at your own pace to see everything we cover. This will give you a complete overview of the entire curriculum available to you. And whichever lesson you need to study, just click on it and then click the play button on the right hand side. Then you will be able to watch that lesson. And you can watch this video over and over again as many times as you like. If you want to rewind or watch faster or slower, you can select those options here. It's just like watching on YouTube. Now let's head back. And if you are interested in exploring other courses, you can simply click on Courses. And here you will see all the courses listed. You can simply click on the course you're interested in to take a look at all of the detailed content that is included in that course. If you find it suitable, you can message me at this phone number. I will provide you with further consultation. And if you are interested in the products I have created using 3D software, you can go to the second product. So you can check out all of the products right here. And if you are interested and want to purchase any of my specific products, you can simply go to the store section, where you will see various items such as the in-pseudo machine, the sublimation board, or the different pattern templates that I have uploaded here, as well as professional mannequins and other helpful design tools. Okay, if you find this video useful today, please subscribe to my channel and help me share this video so that many more people can benefit from these wonderful values. Goodbye everyone, and I will see you next time.